Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing. And today we're gonna unbox the high-grade GAT-02L2, or also known as the Dagger L mobile suit. And before we start, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video, and more about them later. So this is the mass-produced mobile suit from the Gundam Seed Destiny anime series. So looking at the cover art, you can see the Dagger L here with the beam carbine, as well as the other Dagger L at the background. So you can see this one has a cannon mounted at the back. And then you have the other Dagger L there. So looking at the side, you can see here it shows a rear and front view of the model kit, as well as showing you that there are different weapons. You can see the beam saber there, as well as the beam carbine there, as well as the shield. So looking at the actions here, here it shows that the visor are made with clear parts, as well as the beam saber there. Here at the edge, you can see the Dagger L with the striker pack. So you can mount some of the backpacks or striker packs from the Seed model kits, such as this striker pack. So this is similar to the striker pack from the Gundam. So you can mount different packs at the back. So looking at this side, it shows that this is a high grade from the Cosmic Era timeline, and this is from the Gundam Seed Destiny, and this is number 237 from the high grade Universal Century or high grade Cosmic Era model kit line. So again, you can see the name here, as well as the similar artwork from the cover art, and then the Bandai logo there. On the other side, you can see a action post here, as well as short description regarding the Dagger L. So because this is a newer version, you can see a Japanese description, as well as the translated description. So if you want to read it, you can just pause it. And then on this side, the traditional warnings and the barcode here. And then on this side, it's similar to the other shorter side. So let's see what's inside the box. So we have the first bag, and we have a smaller bag, and then we have the third bag. So we have 3 bags for this model kit, and then we're gonna check the manual. So looking at the manual, you can see the Dagger L here with some stats regarding the mobile suit. So those are the stats. And then let's open it. This is going to be the traditional high-grade building instruction. So you have the colored building instruction here, and then you have the traditional building instruction there that's in black and white. And then here you have the traditional warning. You have the runner list here. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 runners, and then 1 polycaps. Then at the back, you have the action poses here with the description regarding the model kit. And then at the lower part, you have the color guide. So I'm just gonna put them up here. You can pause them if you want to get the numbers. So that's your manual for the Dagger L. So let's look at the runners. So this is the A runner. So the A runner is in 3 colors, or rather 4 colors. So you have the darker blue color there, the gray color here, and then you have the lighter gray color here, and then the red color. So for the darker blue color, you have the darker blue for the shield, as well as some parts in the torso and the legs and the arms. So for the gray, you have the weapons, some of the inner joints, and in the lighter gray, you have the skirt armor, and then this is the hips. And then for the red, you have the legs, and this is also in the shield area. So that's your A runner. So next is the B runner. So we have two B runners here. So for the B1, you have the parts for the limbs as well as the head and the shield. And then for B2, you have also parts of the limbs here, the legs, and the skirt armor. So this is also a duplicate of the parts there. So that's your B runners. So next is the C runner. So C runner is in the gray color. So you can see these are mostly the joints and the inner frame parts. So you can see this is the gray color on the legs or the inner frame for the legs. So that's your C runner. Next is the D runner. So D runner is the visor. So you can see this is in a clear blue parts or clear blue color rather. So that's your D runner. Next, you have the runner for the saber. So you have the traditional pink beam saber. So this is the SB runner. Lastly, we have the polycaps. So we have the traditional gray polycaps. So these are your PC runners. And that's the unboxing of the Dagger L. This kit excites me because, as you notice, there's no sticker in it. So everything is color separated. And even though it's a pretty traditional build or pretty standard build, I'm really excited to build this because of that reason. So as you know, I really don't like stickers in my model kits. So I'm gonna build this and I'm gonna make a quick build video. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I release a video. And if you're wondering where to get it, please visit our sponsor. Just go to their website and visit msmnstudio.com. You can check a wide variety of model kits there. They have P-Bandais, they have tools, building materials, and many more. And lastly, thank you for watching.